Platform 9, 3 and 4 at Pantalica Canyon. That's right, welcome to the Sicilian platform for the world of fantasy, the same as Harry Potter's platform, but this time we are in Sicily. Are you ready to live a legendary run? Even a walk or bike ride, of course, is fine. We will dive into a deep canyon, that of Pantalica, where once the cavemen lived, and where until recently a small train passed. Cassaro Station, starting point of our exploration. Smell of Sicily, the smell of rosemary. This ancient railway station will soon become a center of hospitality. Here is the map. 13 kilometers to the station of Sortino, point of arrival. Today we are a small train with 2 legs. And therefore, here we go. The legendary Anapo River, which is at the mouth, meets the papyrus plant and escorts us among the enormous walls of Pantalica.
Splendid tip! The papyrus is an aquatic plant made famous as used for writing. It was a sort of antilitteram paper. The Anapo River, near its mouth behind Syracuse, feeds the strange Siani River, on whose shores the papyrus is still growing. The importance of the papyrus as a support in the transmission of culture has been fundamental. Syracuse boasts a very interesting primacy. It is the only place outside the banks of the Nile in Egypt where it spontaneously grows lush.
Here we are immersed in the Anapo Valley, a wonderful place. Hey, Harry Potter, come out, we know you're there. A cave, a great place to take refuge if you are surprised by the rain. Here is the first tunnel. The 2-legged train is passing, and that backpack can carry in food and water, so it whizzes quite a bit. I am surrounded by the walls of the canyon and by the vegetation that climbs everywhere. Here is the second tunnel. Immediately after there is a picnic area near the river and also the orange trees of Sicily. There under the table for your picnic with bath in the river. We start again. The orange has given me energy. Ciao ciao, many greetings from my shadow. We are inside the third tunnel. Hey, this is really long and dark. Does anyone have a light? Some water, what a thirst. Shortly after there is the station of Jambra. Here came the people who went to work around in the fields. Immediately after the station there is a tunnel, and immediately after the tunnel a little path that should go down to the river. Make room for the little 2-legged train. We start again. Up there is the kingdom of Pantalica, inhabited since 1200 BC. There are caves, cave dwellings, Byzantine frescoes.
It's very cold here inside. It is almost 200 meters, more than 200 meters length.
At the exit of the tunnel, another structure of the past but reused by modern shepherds.
Ma c'è ancora scorta di fieno? Bello poi,
Right in front there is a little path that I think goes down to the river. I really need a quick foot bath. We start again. Tombs high up on the rocky ridge, 8.5 kilometers. The tour to the Filiporto necropolis, at the top, about 1.5 kilometers. There are cave tombs, a village with about 150 caves, and a Byzantine church, still in the cave, with frescoes.
Hello, hello.
I'm smashing Sicilian runner with a stick borrowed from Harry Potter, here on platform 9 and 3/4.
Gentili signori cari, tutto quello che state vedendo.
Dear friends, what are you enjoying of Splendid Sicily has been possible because of our love and devotion to Sicily. Splendid Sicily is self-sustaining. It depends on donations from those who love Sicily and Sicilians all over the world. So, please, support us, otherwise, in a while, we'll be upside down.
Se amate veramente la Sicilia, altrimenti noi fra un po' accappottiamo.
Hey, that's crazy. We have traveled 9 kilometers and 3/4, that is 9 kilometers and 750 meters from the start on platform 9 and 3/4. Here is the necropolis of Pantalica station. If it's not magic, this... Close to a carob tree, there are fruits that Sicilian shaky, which are donkeys, had a sweet tooth for them, and here also starts a little path that descends immediately towards the river. It is irresistible to bathe in the cool waters of the river. I'm hungry. Let's see what's in my magic backpack. Hey, Harry Potter, look at this magic. Salamini of Cassaro, the ilatina, that is a pig-based concoction, and arancini with ragu. Well, let's jog again, this time at a slower pace and with a fuller belly. Kilometer 10. The tour to the Anactoron, about 1 kilometer away. The Anactoron is a megalithic building, the only stone building in Pantalica, where the tribal chief probably lived. It dates back at least to 1100 BC and has several rectangular rooms. The other houses were all huts of straw and wood and therefore not preserved over time. We continue to jog inside the amazing Anapo Valley. A prehistoric tomb. Great idea to rest. Harry Potter, help me. The jelly is talking to the arancini and is telling something about the salamini. In short, There is a commotion in my stomach. Another tunnel with a beautiful path leading to the river. Just at the exit of the tunnel behind a small house, the path that leads to the incredible necropolis of North Pantalica starts. Thousands of tombs dug into the precipice rock on the river. How did they do it? Do you know anything about it, Harry Potter? Let's continue to jog. Let's tunnel everyone. Kilometer 12, 800. Here is the two-leg train coming to the end of its run. Ciao ciao, wonderful Pantalica.